Good day, everyone. So we'll be discussing simple equation. Okay, I'm gonna be taking us through equations in general. Okay, um, so we are going to be looking at simple equations, simultaneous equations, and quadratic equations. Okay, so we are going to start by looking at the simple equations. Okay, so let's begin with these examples. Solve the following equations. You can see them. So let's see how it goes. Okay, now before we start solving these problems, there are some things you need to put in mind when solving simple equations or any kind of equation, as the case may be. And what is that? The thing is, you have to put in mind that any term crossing the sign of equal to either to the left hand side or to the right hand side, the sign changes. Okay, the sign changes. If it's minus before it become plus, is that okay? If it's plus before it become minus, take note of that. It's all okay. So let's begin now. We have y minus 4 to be equal to 3. So what we do here is you collect like terms, okay? Collecting like term means the y term will be in one side and then the constant term will be in one side. The only y term we have is y, okay, equals to 3, and then the minus 4 we cross over and then it becomes plus 4. Is that okay? So y is equals to 7 here, okay? Then let's look at the b, where we have 5 bracket open, x minus 7 equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay, now if you have situations like this, what we do is to first of all clear the bracket. Is that okay? How do we clear bracket? Now we are going to use the 5 to multiply the x and the minus 7. So 5 multiplied by x is going to give us 5x minus 35. Is that okay? Because 5 times minus 7 is minus 35. Then equals to 7 minus 2x. Is that okay? So you see we have cleared the brackets now. So what we do next is we collect like term. Is that okay? So collecting like terms now, we are going to have it to be 5x, which is already in the left-hand side. And then you move the minus 2x over. Okay? So it becomes plus 2x equal to 7. And then you move the minus 35 over. And then you have plus 35. Is that okay? So 5x plus 2x is going to give us 7x equal to, 7 plus 35 is going to give us 42. So to find the value of x now, we quickly divide through by x by 7, which is the coefficient of x. So dividing through by 7, you see this is going to be like 7x, divided by 7 to be equal to 42 um, divided by 7. Okay. So from here now, your x now is going to be equal to 42 divided by 7 is going to give us 6. Is that okay? And then same thing goes for the c. Okay, what do we have there? We have 6 into x minus 4 plus 4e into x plus 7. Is that okay? Equal to 3. So what we do is to first of all open the bracket. If you observe, we have two brackets. So you start by opening the two brackets. Okay, so let's open the first bracket now. From the first bracket, the 6 is going to multiply x and minus 4. And of course, 6 times x is going to give us 6x minus, then 6 times minus 4 is going to give us minus 24. Okay, so you have 6x minus 24 for the first bracket. And then for the second bracket, 3, we're going to multiply x and 7. So plus 3 times x is going to give us plus 3x. Then plus times plus is just plus. And then 3 times 7 is 21. And then everything is equals to 3. So you can group. You can group now. So you have 6x plus 3x minus 24 plus 21 equals 3. Okay. So 6x plus 3x is 9x. Is that okay? And then minus 24 plus 21 is going to give us minus 3. Is that okay? Yep. To be equals to 3. So from here, you collect like terms now. So we have 9x equals 3, and then the minus 3 will cross over. So you have plus 3. And then 9x is going to give us, 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6. And then you divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 9. So you have 9x divided by 9 equal to 6 divided by 9. Is that okay? So 9 cancel out 9. So you have x equals to, 6 over 9, which is the same thing as 2 over 3 when you reduce to its simplest term. So this is basically how to solve, problems on simple equations. Although this is phase one, which is just the direct, question type. We also have cases where you have fractions. We are going to look at that, as we move on. Please do well to always subscribe, like, comment for more videos. Thank you.